We're currently passing through Lawrence, PA, also known as Hill Station, and travel on up Georgetown Road here for a new route. The old route we used to take to get on 79 when coming this way would be to bear left up here when the road takes a 90-degree bend. But I'll show you a different way now that some additional ramps related to the PA Turnpike 576 have been finished. That's Mayview Road that we just passed on the right. And this is also the way someone would travel to get to the National Cemetery, which was built to accommodate more veterans in this tri-state area. Okay, so we're gonna turn right here at this 90-degree intersection by the horse farm and proceed on up this way, up the hill. And this will bring us up to a roundabout, again, recently constructed. And the roundabout, if we go halfway around it, we would exit toward the National Cemetery to take the ramp to either PA Turnpike 576 or to Interstate 79 North. We'll go 3/4 of the way around the roundabout. So as we approach the roundabout, you can see in the distance Morgan Road that leads up to the National Cemetery. And the road we're entering onto is actually called Morganza Road, which was named for a former state facility. There's the exit for the National Cemetery. We're going to continue around and get off here for Morganza Road. And we'll begin to see some signs up here. Easy pass for 576. There's no toll on Interstate 79, even though they did want to toll some of the bridges, namely the bridge that crosses Route 50 in Bridgeville. So here we are accessing this ramp, and of course you can access it from the other end of Morganza Road, which is closer to South Point Business Park, or Donaldson's Crossroads in McMurray, PA. So here we see some of the signage. Left lanes for Pittsburgh International Airport. And again, that's a toll road. It's toll by plate or Easy Pass. And we're going to be focused on this right lane for north to Interstate 79 toward Pittsburgh. And the third option is that middle lane. You can loop back around and get on 79 headed south. So again, this is much more convenient as opposed to when we used to have to bear left at the horse farm and zig and zag and go through a somewhat dangerous intersection to get up to the South Point entrance onto 79.